back to my channel. I'm Release. Anyways, I'm Release. So we're going to make a mug cake. A mug cake. If you don't know what's a mug cake, it's a cake in a mug. The reason why it's kid friendly because instead of putting it in the oven, you're putting it in the microwave. So let's get straight on to this video. Woo! First, we're going to crack an egg. If you don't know how to crack an egg, this is how you crack an egg. Yeah. Let's just put that right here. So I already put my egg in. Now you're going to get your cup or whatever, your mug. Then you melt your butter and you're going to roll the butter, the melted butter, inside the cup. Then you're going to pour your butter inside your bowl like that. Right, so we're going to put 1.5 tablespoons of milk. We're going to put that in. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of essence. I'm just going to put the one on the cup. I think that's enough. You can put any essence as you want. I'm getting vanilla. Right. So you need to have 2 bowls because we have one with the wet ingredients and one with the dry ingredients. Half cup. We're going to use half cup of flour in this bowl. We're going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. I use this for a cup. I love cinnamon too. Right, now we're going to add a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. I have mine in a plate. Now we're going to mix with a fork. The reason why I mix with a fork is because these are like fingers. They could go in there, you know? Right. So your mixture should look like this. And the wet one's supposed to look like this. So once you're done with that, you're going to put a little hole inside the dry ingredients. Then we're gonna get this. We're gonna put it here. Then you're gonna put your wet ingredients inside the hole. Oops. Right. This should look like dough. Right, so we keep on mixing until all the chunks come out. And get all that flour in the mixture, you know? So we don't want no leftovers. It could go around the whole bowl, so yeah. You could do this and it should look like that. Then carefully put your mixture inside your cup. Like that. Just have smooth lenses. So this is a 700 watts microwave. Sorry guys. So we're going to put it for 2 minutes. 2, 0, 0, start. Woo! And that is what it looks like. Right, so bon appetit to me. I'm gonna try it. Wow, the sauce was so good. Are you begging? Right, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye!